Bentar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 will present about nursing assessment. Ulangi sih. Ulangi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 4 will present about nursing assessment. Before that, let me introduce my group member. I am Yuria Dwi Astuti, Resiana Siva Anggun, Ria Mardiono Prayogi, Regi Dwi Indrawan, and Rizpa Rinayatul. The first materi will be read by Ria Mardiono Prayogi.
Crash Mr. A. Mr. A, 60 years old, was admitted to hospital with complaint of disease, splattering, and blurred vision. When he woke up, his wife started that Mr. A is a smoker, like to eat salt food, and frequently urine at night. One of a family member has hospital of hypertension. That rules of physical examination show that his blood pressure 190 per 100 mmHg. P 96 BP. When 27 height 190 centimeter, weight 60, mostly mucus, good skin turgor, and bowel sound positive. In admission, Mr. A walked with a lip. Patient identity. Patient name Mr. A. 60. Okay, and the next to read to Resiana Siva.
Next, assessment. 1 for subjective data. 1. Dizziness. 2. Lethargy. 3. Blurred vision when he woke up. 4. Mr. A is a smoker. 5. Frequently urinates at night. 6. His family member has history. 6. His family member has. And 7. History of hypertension. Next, objective data. 1. Blood pressure 190 per 100 mmHg. Pulse 96 BPM. Respiratory 24 breath per minute. Temperature 37 derajat Celcius, height 160 cm, weight 60 kg, moist lip mucus, good skin turgor, and bowel sound positive. Next. Next, for data clustering, focus data. For diagnosa 1, subjective data is patient report dizziness, lethargy, and blurred vision on waking up. For objective data, the patient looks limbs. Problem, activity, intolerance, and etiology, abnormal blood pressure response to activity. For diagnosis 2, subjective data, his wife stated that Mr. A was a smoker, likes to eat salty food, and often urinate at night. And objective data, blood pressure 190 per 100 mmHg. P 96 BPM, respiratory 24 breath per minute, temperature 37 derajat Celcius. Problem, knowledge deficiency, etiology, less information. Next. For nursing diagnosis and problems priority. 1. Activity intolerance relates to abnormal blood pressure response to activity. And 2. Knowledge deficient relates to less information. The next will read by Rizpa.
Planning, outcome, and intervention. Diagnosis 1. Activity intolerance related to abnormal blood pressure response to activity. Expected outcome after 24 hours of the action, it is expected that the nursing problem will be resolved, with the result criteria tolerance to activity. Indicator 1. Running speed before 2 after 4. 2. Walking distance before 2 after 4. 3. Lower body strength before 2 after 4. Intervention activity therapy. 1. Consider the client's ability to participate through specific activities. 2. Help clients to choose activities and achieve goals through activities that are consistent with physical, physiological, and social abilities. 3. Encourage appropriate creative activity. 4. Collaborate with a physical therapist if needed. Planning outcome 2. Diagnosis knowledge deficient related to less information. After 24 hours of action, it is expected that the nursing problem will be resolved, with the result criteria hypertension, severity, indicator, fatigue before 2 after 4, blurred vision before 2 after 4, dizzy before 2 after 4, health education. One, target the Higgs risk groups and ranges who will benefit most from health education. Two, determine the current health knowledge and lifestyle behavior of the individual, family or target group. 3. Help individual, families, and communities to clarify belief and health values. 4. Prioritize the needs of the learner by identifying needs based on what the client likes.
That is all we can say to the group. Thank you.